G'day humanoid life forms. Chewy here, bringing you a magnificent sunset. I haven't been on the bike for a while. It's been 2 weeks since I've had a ride. It's been really wet around here. And I was doing the walk, the bloody long walk for the Mido Foundation every afternoon. It's good to be back on the bike. I seriously haven't had a ride for, it's been 12 days. 12 days! Basically since I've had the new front tyre put on. I haven't even scrubbed the little knobbies off it yet. Off the middle of the tyre. Oh, I miss riding the bike. So just a little heads up video. Tomorrow I will be going for Monkey Butts Challenge, riding to Bilpin to buy an apple pie. That's right, an apple pie. You're watching Helmet Head? We'll show you how Aussies make pies, mate, but this isn't your challenge. This isn't the pie that's going to win all of the pies. This is just a Bilpin apple pie. Cup of coffee and a pie. That's what I'm going to have tomorrow up at Bilpin. So, Monkey Butt, I will be doing your challenge, which is not really a challenge, it's more the subscriber destination thingo. What do you call it? It's not a challenge, but so if there's anywhere within 200 kilometers of here, of where I live, Blacktown 2148, Sydney, Australia, check it out on Google Maps, find something within 200 kilometers, and when I can, I'll get out and have a look. Monkey Butt's got a few different places that he suggested. Webb has one, which is Bondi Beach, so I plan to make that one. And I also will do the Harbour Bridge and the Sydney Opera House. I can't remember who mentioned that one. It could have been the Gorilla Biker. So one way or another, I will get to them all eventually. But tomorrow's one, I'm heading out to Bilpin straight after work. What on earth? Wow, Instagram chisel coloured skin. Must be a bike club around here somewhere. Yeah, hold your horses, mate. I'm just heading up to the grocery store to buy some much needed refreshments and Bocconcini for tonight's dinner. You know you can go around the truck. That's the way, pal. Randy's Rides. This is how you buy beer in Australia, mate. At least this is how you buy the cheapest beer in Australia. See that, Randy's Rides? There's no cup to put your money in. There's no hockey stick. Oh dear. Bocconcini and a carton of Rivet Lager. That's right, said like a true Australian. Rivet Lager. Rivet Lager. And luckily for me, my motorcycle bag is just big enough for 1 full carton of Rivet lager. A little bit tight to do up the zipper. I don't worry about doing it all the way, especially now I just forgot to put the Bocconcini in. And homeward bound, but tomorrow I will do the bigger ride, and Sunday, if I get time to edit, I'll bring you the experience of the Bilpin Fruit Bowl. Looking forward to that one. Alright, let's go. Jesus Christ, that was close. Well, that's all for today. I hope you're all doing well. I'm back on the bike, and I can't wait to bring you some more bike videos, some more music, some more drone videos. They're all coming up. They're all coming up soon, actually. Until next time, be good to each other. Chewy out. Peace. 100%ers. Most of you who watch to the end of this video are the ones that always comment in the videos down below. You're all awesome. Thank you very much for watching my content. Quick question, front tyres. How easy do you have to go on them? I mean, how long does it take before you can get back to your normal sort of confidence and lean angle? I've never had a brand new front tyre on this bike before. The last bike I had was a Yamaha XS 1100, and I never really leaned that thing over very far anyway. Whereas this thing, I've scraped my boot on the ground a few times. I haven't scraped pegs on it yet. I just don't have that confidence, but now that I've got actual decent tyres on the bike, I'm keen to get that little bit more speed through corners. So when do you get back to the confidence? How long does it take to scrub in a new front tyre, basically? That's about it. See ya.